Hello and welcome to Awaz, the Voice in Tunes. I'm Nazir Gnai. And today we are joined by a very special guest. He is president of Indian Chamber of Commerce, a young face, someone who has been designated as youth icon and youth leader by the World Economic Forum, Amaya Prabhu.
Thank you.
Amaya, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Kashmir आप आए and you came up with some good initiative and you just had an interaction with stakeholders, startups, and you also try to understand what is the overall ecosystem in Kashmir. How has been your experience so far?
No, thank you so much for having me, and it's such a pleasure and an honor to be back in Srinagar and back in Kashmir again. It's one of my favorite parts of the country, if not the favorite. And currently, I'm the president of the Indian Chamber of Commerce. We are the oldest chamber of commerce in India. We're a 100-year-old chamber, and under my leadership, we have expanded a lot, both domestically and internationally. So I have opened 25 international chambers from Saudi, Qatar to New Zealand, California, South America, and within India now we're in almost every part of India. So I say we are from Tripura to Gujarat and now from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. So we are all over. I think so. Our state chair Khalid Wani Saab, who is of course one of the leading Kashmiri global lights in the tech industry, he was very keen that we do an event here, and I can see why, because I think the dynamism, the entrepreneurship of the state, of the people here, of the Union Territory, it's really phenomenal. And I think I saw some amazing startups, the dynamism that the people have, the desire to build things. I think they just need some hand holding. Every company needs capital, some support. For example, just as an example, I met a startup in the meat industry. Now, 25% of the Indian meat industry actually comes from J&K, especially from Kashmir. I saw startups in the textile space. I saw startups in the gifting space. I mean, everybody wants to gift, and what better place than, I mean, when you think of J&K, you actually think of the handicrafts, the gifting that you can do from here. So the potential is immense, and I think all we need to do is support it. And of course, also help and engage, and that's where ICC can play a role. We can engage not only with our national members, but also our international chapters and international members. And I think people want to invest. We just need to bring and highlight this. But in terms of dynamism, in terms of the quality of the startups, and most importantly, in terms of the hunger, ऐसे कोई नहीं कहेगा कि कश्मीर में हंगर नहीं है इंटरप्राइज बिल्ड करने के लिए. इतनी हंगर है, हमें सिर्फ उसको भी चैनलाइज करना है.
Amaya, Jammu and Kashmir has gone through difficult times. We have seen difficult times over the years, but now there's a calm, there's a peace, and people really want to go out. They want to explore. They want to do experiments. तो उसका एक रिजल्ट ये भी था कल जो आपने स्टार्टअप्स देखे. They are into this space from last couple of years, 2, 3, 4 years, and some of them are struggling, some of them are still exploring. How is ICC going to reach out to them and help them out? Maybe mentor them also.
See, I think firstly, whatever adversity we go through, it can help us become strong. So in business, what are the important criteria? You need to have grit, you need to have tenacity, you need to know कि uncertainty से कैसे deal करते हैं, risk management कैसे करते हैं. और because of some of the unfortunate issues in the past, कश्मीरी लोगों में ये सब चीजें हैं. All these qualities, dealing with risk, dealing with uncertainty, finding solutions to problems, and actually building hope against hope. उनके सब ये उनके पास है. This is great. Actually, if you ask me, entrepreneurship के लिए these are amazing qualities to have. तो और देखिए, entrepreneur को struggle करना है कोई नई चीज नहीं है. मैंने भी बहुत struggle किया है, और हर entrepreneur जब struggle करता है उसी से तो कंपनी बनती है. If you ask me, तो this is good that they are struggling, and इससे वो grow करेंगे. पर जो और देखिए, some startups will do well, some startups won't do well. That is just but everybody will win in the sense, as a human being you will always grow. और कल जाके आप यदि job भी करें, if startup doesn't do well, आप always hero बनेंगे job में, क्योंकि आपकी tenacity बढ़ेगी उसमें, जो life skills बनती है, जो business skills बनती है. Of course ICC कैसे मदद कर सकती है, वही मैं 2-3 हमारे ideas हैं. एक है कि of course the easiest is investment, both directly from ICC members. हमारे पास काफी startup members है, VC funds है जो हमारे members है, हमारी काफी strong networks भी है. तो one is of course through investment, and we will want to do both within our membership as well as maybe some road shows which we can arrange. तो हम हमारे local chapter के साथ काम करेंगे. दूसरा है in terms of buying. So for example, gifting में हो या produce हो, like we saw some great fashion startups. I think we can really work a lot with them. Cultural startups, we can work a lot with them. So I think that's, and even for example, I met a great restaurant chain, which one of the young guys runs. I think this is tremendously scalable. You know, Saeed Gilani's Barkats.
Yeah.
I think this is tremendously scalable. अभी आप आपके food bloggers देखे. I met Umar yesterday, and who's one of the most famous food bloggers in Kashmir. Amazing work. Okay, now that also, by the way, can be scaled up nationally. He's doing it pro bono out of his love for his people. But
Absolutely.
I think this can also, because he has got almost 250,000 followers. You know, और वैसे आपने देखा तो Kashmir has 6 million people. उसमें से 250,000 followers, मतलब almost 4% of
4%.
Kashmir is following him.
Absolutely.
You know, which is amazing if you ask me. So I think almost 4.5% actually. So we can help in many ways, and we will help in many ways. And I think even I spoke to the state government yesterday, जो उनका आपका entrepreneurship और startups को जो support करता है, very interesting team. तो उनको भी मैंने कहा कि जो soft skills है, आप मदद कीजिए. हार्ड स्किल्स में प्राइवेट सेक्टर आ जाएगा. हार्ड इज इन्वेस्टमेंट, प्रोक्योरमेंट, उसमें तो प्राइवेट सेक्टर आ जाएगा. बट सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में आप सपोर्ट कीजिए कि कंपनी में बिजनेस प्लान कैसे बनाते हैं, ओएनडीसी नेटवर्क पे जो सरकार की ओएनडीसी है, विच कैन बी अ लो कॉस्ट वे फॉर देम टू सेल, वो कैसे करते हैं. ऑल ऑफ दैट वी कैन, यू शुड सपोर्ट. रेस्ट वी कैन सपोर्ट. सो आई थिंक दे आर ऑल्सो क्वाइट हैप्पी टू डू दैट. सो आई थिंक जनरली बहुत अच्छी रही विजिट. I think, of course, I've been here before, but first visit as ICC, but this is the beginning, not the end. तो ये जो हमारे खालिद साहब बता रहे थे कि उनको 75 प्राइवेट मैसेजेस आए कल से लोगों से कि बुलाया क्यों नहीं, why shouldn't we should have come, बताया नहीं. You know, so I think these things happen, right? Buzz create होता है, सबको तो पता नहीं सकता है day one. तो ये बढ़ेगा और हम बढ़ाएंगे.
You also run your different ventures. Nafa Capital is one of them. How do you create business leaders? How do you inculcate that that zeal in the
you know, as I said, I think for me, when I look for companies to invest, you know, when PCF, for me, people to work with, so large percent, so I like to work with younger people. So and we have a good blend, of course, we are not ageist, but we have a lot of young people, and I'm 38 myself, but I've been working since I'm 22, 23, and I think one thing which I look for is the ability to handle failure. Because failure is, or even setback, maybe failure may be a wrong word, but ability to handle setback. Setbacks can make you very strong. Adversity can make you very strong. For example, today, by God's grace, I'm doing, आज अच्छा चल रहा है मेरा business. I'm in financial services में हूँ, auto sector में हूँ, agri में भी हम अभी बढ़ा रहे हैं. पर मेरी पहली business थी renewable energy में, और that actually didn't do well. हमारे investors pulled out किए, फिर मुझे वापस scratch से शुरू करना पड़ा. पर उसने मुझे जो सिखाया, उसने मुझे जो आउट से थिक स्किन दिया, जो एडवर्सिटी से डील करने की एबिलिटी दी, आज भी मुझे वो, और थोड़ा डिटैचमेंट भी हो गया कि लाइफ में आप देखिए, मैं आई एम अ स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन, बट ऐसे कि डिटैचमेंट भी थोड़ा अच्छा है, यू नो, फ्रॉम सक्सेस और अगर आउटकम से डिटैचमेंट, फॉलो द प्रोसेस जैसे कहते हैं, तो उसके मेरे को बहुत फायदा हुआ. सो आई लुक फॉर दैट इन लीडर्स, बिकॉज आई थिंक जो ग्रेट लीडर होते हैं, और तो उनके 3 क्राइटेरिया होते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. एबिलिटी टू डील विद से एडवर्सिटी और एबिलिटी टू डील विद क्राइसिस. दूसरा है मेंटोरिंग अदर पीपल, मतलब खुद को आगे नहीं करो पर लोगों को आगे करो, और
and you also give back something, no?
And exactly, and third is giving back, because when you give back to society, when you give back to others, you will always grow. Absolutely. So I think if to दिल होना चाहिए, धंधा बना कुछ किसी लिए कि दिल होना चाहिए.
So lastly, what is your message to all those younger people who are watching you?
I think honestly, firstly, I'm also young, that is at least I believe in that, but more importantly, I think keep believing. I think आपके पास great platform है, आपके पास एक, आप देखिए, I think actually आज ही सुबह मैं calculation कर रहा था, हमारा target होना चाहिए कि यदि हम लोगों ने GDP बना लिया $300 billion का of J&K, only then we can actually have a highest per capita GDP in India of the region. So we have to plan for that, एक reverse plan बनाए, और एक मैं चीज कहता हूँ, believe in yourself, keep doing it, but do it while preserving the ecology of Kashmir.
Absolutely.
I think ये आप कहते हैं कि sustainability है, western चीज नहीं है अभी. I think हमें ये देखना, इतना beautiful अपनी निसर्ग है, अपनी environment है, पर्यावरण है, पर more importantly देखिए sustainability and ecologically growing sustainably is actually makes lot of business sense. ये तो long term रहेगा, तो वो भी आप प्रिजर्व कीजिए. कीप बिलीविंग, बहुत आगे बढ़ना है.
कीप बिलीविंग, दैट इज द टेक. बहुत शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू सो मच.
विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर यू ऑल योर एंडिवर्स.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे भी मिलकर. थैंक यू.